Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we'll learn how to easily insert page number in Word from a specific page. So if you want to go ahead and try to add a page number but you want to go ahead and start on a specific page, then you're on to the right guide. So the first thing that you need to do, so you'll just need to prepare your document. So I have here an example document that we could use. And if you want to go ahead and add in or start the page number onto the second page, so what we need to do is we'll just need to simply click here onto the upper part first. So we're just gonna need to simply click onto this page, and then right after, let's gonna go ahead and try to section this. We're gonna have this other page onto another section so that we could start our number in here. So for us to be able to do that, once we've clicked onto the page already, just head here onto the page layout and you should be able to see breaks. Here onto breaks, you could go ahead and see the section breaks in here. So we could choose the next page wherein it will insert a section break and start the new section on the next page. So we're going to click onto that one and we're going to go ahead and click onto the next page in here. And this page is already onto another section of the document. Now, since we have added already the break, what we need to do right after is click onto the insert tab in here. Here onto the insert tab, under the header and footer, we should be able to see the page number. So simply click onto that and you could choose onto where you want to add the page number. So there is top of page, bottom of page, page margins, and current position. We'll choose top of the page in here. You could choose also if you want to do a plain number or there are different designs for that. So let's choose the first one in here. And as you can see, since this one is starting out at 2, what we need to do is just click onto the page number again in here and format the page number. So we're going to go ahead and click onto start at in here and you could choose onto which one it start. We're going to go ahead and start at 1, click onto OK. And since the other section is starting at 1 as well, we're just going to go ahead and simply remove that one out. We're just going to disable the link to previews for that one. And you could go ahead and simply remove this one out as well to go ahead and remove the page number onto that specific page. Now our document is already starting here onto section 2 as 1. As you can see, we have 1 in here, we have 2, and then we have page number 3. And that is just basically it onto how to insert a page number on a specific page in Microsoft Word. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.